Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace master window switch on BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. So if your window switch, master window switch doesn't work, your mirror switch doesn't work as well, we'll show you how to do that now. Not very complicated procedure, stay with us and we'll show you a few tricks, how not to break anything, how not to scratch anything. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart, so please subscribe for more videos and let us know if you need help with anything. So some people will try to pry it out, and it's possible, but you can break that trim piece, and this is expensive and you can damage your leather as well. What do? We remove that trim right here, and this trim has a few clips, I think like 7 of them. Stay until the end to show you exactly where they are. And again guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow us. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Anything from interior to mechanical works, taking the engine apart. So that's where all your clips are. You can see 3 of them came loose on the front. So now we need to remove them from the trim piece and install them on the door panel. And you have a clip towards the back, you can see that slides this way. It goes right here. So on the last removing clip, you have to pull the piece towards the back a little bit, so you don't break this piece. And by removing that trim piece now, we can access the window switch right here with our fingers, and push it up. I just need a little bit more here. Perfect, just like that. Now we have to disconnect the cable. Now right here, let me show you now, because it's hard to find that. That plastic piece you need to push in, and then you slide the big piece over it. And that's the window switch with the trim assembly now. So let's remove the window switch now out of it. So all the parts and tools that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below, so check it out. Now with a small screwdriver, we'll need to pry those clips now. And they're super tight clips. It came loose on this side. Now we have to do the same thing to this side. And it will be easier if you start on the front, because you have a single clip there. Like that. Now we have one in the middle. And then we just have the outlines right here. And the 2 pieces came apart, like that. Guys, so we have the new window switch already, we got ours. It's very important to see if you have folding mirrors or not, that way you know which one to get. You can find more about it and where we got ours from in the description of the video below. Also, we just restored our trim piece. We'll have a video how to do that with a professional BMW paint that you can do at home, and instead of being scratched like that, you can see it will look like brand new. So let's go ahead and show you how to install the switch now. So we just found out that we actually ordered the wrong interior paint, so we'll be repainting this piece. It looks terrible now, so ignore that. You can find a video where to find your interior cover. We made a mistake to order it without knowing for sure. So we have to do, get the new switch, press down, until it clicks in place, until all the clips are locked in place there. Like that. And we're going to connect our wire now. Like that. After that, we'll just go ahead, push it all the way down, and we'll need to install that trim piece as well. Stay until the end to see about the trim piece now. It needs to go in a specific angle. You start from the back side first. You need to slide that clip over like that, align it, and then press everything in. That's it guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.